we're back. On my last video I was talking about that the wideband was broken. The wideband is fixed. Let me see, it kind of looks a little dirty. So now that I fixed the wideband, I ended up installing a intercooler. The wideband, AEM sent it to me like 2 days after, so it was just a quick plug and play. The intercooler, I ended up installing the intercooler due to that when I installed the turbo, it's like one less step to worry about. So right now it's an inner fooler because the intake is still there. So I ended up right there because I ran out of couplers, but I mean, I'm gonna end up getting some couplers and more piping later on. Should be having it by next week. For right now, I just gotta run it like that. Yes, I know it's in the bottom. No, I'm not gonna drive it when it's raining. Besides that, I am gonna end up painting the valve cover. So if you guys want me to paint a certain color, go ahead and comment below and I'll paint it that color. I gotta extend the IAT sensor because the sensor's right here. I put it right before the throttle body. And the actual IAC sensor, I ended up plugging it, which is right here. That's that one hose that goes onto this part, but that's gone. So I ended up plugging that. Just got to extend it. So right now it doesn't run great because the last wideband was given the ECU shitty ass number, so there's like a shit freaking map on there. So I gotta go ahead and drive the car around and use the auto tune. So I'll take you guys with me on that one. Just got to do that quick auto tune, little tune, drive it around, show you guys how it works, and we'll try launch control and see if we could get some more backfires. Better backfires, louder backfires. So we'll try that in a bit. Let me just go ahead and hurry up and plug this and chop this off and put the bumper back on, and we're good to go. Next week I am going to be going to a shop that's going to be making the turbo lines for me. I just got to hurry up and get the measurements done. Every time I start this, I freaking lose the 10. I always had the 10mm with the socket and the whole wrench, and I always lose it. I don't know where the hell it went.
I cook a motherfucking damn ham a fucking sandwich.
Alright fam, so I went ahead and started the car, got up and warm. I have a tuner studio. You want to go ahead and go on the VE analyzer, which is a tune analyze live, and then to your right you should have start auto tune. You don't want to hit that yet until the car is running. The way you know your wideband is connected to your ECU is that it says down here average cell change, and same thing for this side, average max cell change. When those numbers start changing, that means your ECU is reading your wideband. So if those numbers are not accurate, that means there's no contact of the wideband to your ECU. So we're gonna go ahead and start the car, and we're gonna drive it somewhere where I could actually like rev the exhaust, because my neighbors over there are pretty damn nosy, and they like to freaking call the police because they're not normal. So anyway, yeah, we're gonna start the car and then we're gonna drive off and go somewhere that there's not that many people. I don't have to bug anybody, so we're gonna do it right here real quick. We're gonna go ahead and get this started. As you guys can see, there's a cell change 21, 3.9. We'll probably rev it a little bit. So yeah, these are the numbers you actually want to hit. So that's perfect. It will move up and down. That's exactly what you want, because what it's doing is actually going to the number that you have it set to. So that's perfect right there. Those are good numbers. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit stop auto tune. You want to go ahead and apply, but at the same time you want to rev it just a little bit, because if not, the car will want to shut down. So you want to rev it and then hit apply. All right, and now you want to go ahead and hit save on ECU. Same thing, you want to rev it and then hit save on ECU, and then you'll see right now that the car would want to turn off, but since you're revving it, it won't let it. There you go. All right, so now it's saved. Now we're gonna go and see what launch control looks like as we have it right now. So if you guys like this video, I really appreciate you guys shouting me out and all that. So don't forget to subscribe. That really means a lot right now. So don't forget to subscribe, like this video. Don't forget, if you guys guess what wing is in this car, you guys get a free prize. Don't forget to shout me out and check me out. All right, you guys have a good day, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.